These boots by Western Chief feature a rubber upper with a round toe silhouette, and they have a wide open collar that has some stretch for easy slip on. They are waterproof with sealed seams to keep your feet nice and dry, and they have an all-over floral print to give you a cute and festive style you're sure to love. Inside, there is a textile lining that is insulated to keep your feet nice and warm, and there's a removable memory foam footbed that molds to your feet, giving you maximum comfort throughout the day. They have a sturdy and durable build that's made to last, and you'll get a small lift from the block heel at the back. It's all on top of a durable and flexible fabric-coated rubber outsole that has a textured wavy tread for traction. Wear these with your favorite pair of denim.